The study of heredity and the variation of inherited traits.
Genotype, the whole set of genes of an individual. Phenotype, the physical characteristics of an organism.
Homozygous recessive, pure unexpressed traits. Example, little r, little r.
Homozygous dominant, pure expressed trait. Example, big R, big R.
Heterozygous, alleles in a particular gene are different. P1 generation, refers to individuals that are crossed in breeding experts.
F1 generation, the first generation of offspring from the P1 generation.
Punnett square, diagram that predicts the outcome of a genetic cross.
Heredity, passing of characters from parent to offspring.
Gregor Mendel was an Augustinian monk in Czechoslovakia. He is known as a father of genetics because he was the first to understand how DNA worked. He was famous for working with pea plants. He found that plants' respective offspring retained the essential traits of the parents and therefore were not influenced by the environment. A Punnett square is a diagram that is used to predict the outcome of a genetic cross by considering all possible combinations of gametes in a cross. Reginald Punnett was the inventor of the Punnett square. The Punnett square consists of 4 boxes inside of the square. The possible gametes, for example, big R and little R standing for the dominant trait and little r for the recessive, are written along the left and right sides of the square. Each box inside the square is filled in with 2 letters which are obtained by combining the allele along the top of the box with the allele on the side of the box.
Dihybrid cross, a cross that considers 2 pairs of contrasting characters. Here's how to do a dihybrid cross.
Step 1. List all possible genotypes. Step 2. Calculate the genotypic ratio for this cross.
You get the genotypes and insert them into the dihybrid cross. You go down in a cross to determine what phenotypes the child will have. Differences and similarities between Arabs and Jews.
Some dominant traits for Jews are bigger noses, slimmer faces, lighter complexion, curly hair, and less body hair.
Some dominant traits for Arabs are fan noses, rough skin type, sharp faces, dark complexion, wavy hair, and more body hair.
They both originated from the same place, and they both are Semitic people.
The Hardy-Weinberg equation. P squared plus 2pq plus q squared equals 1.
P equals the frequency of the dominant allele in the population.
Q, the frequency of the recessive allele in the population.
P squared, percentage of homozygous dominant individuals.
Q squared, percent of homozygous recessive individuals.
2pq equals percentage of heterozygous individuals.